So Mio Dam is on the Ausable River. It's a great fishing, super well known for canoeing and rafting. And the other side of the dam is a beautiful pond that goes quite a ways. We have definitely stayed here before and enjoyed these waters. It is a hydroelectric dam, so it is producing power. And we'll go up and take a look over the crest of the top. Hope I don't hear any sirens. Definitely got to get out of the way if the water comes up. Well, I don't want you shooting any guns around this place. Obviously, a lot of people depend on this for power. Well, that's quite a spillway. I'm sure after a real bad storm and high water rushes through there. Just across the water here, I believe, is the Mio Pond State Forest Campground. I have to check that out someday. I have never stayed there. Looks like a beautiful spot though. So this is a portage. As long as you can get out of or into your canoe or kayak safely from the edge like this, you would use this to get past the dam one way or the other. They call that a portage. I don't know why, but long time term, and there's a sign that confirms that's what this is. So you would pull your kayak out here, carry it up these stairs, and then they make it easy if you've got a couple people You could each grab an end because you're not going down the actual stairway we came up. There should be like a portage path, which is much easier to navigate with a boat in your hand. Well, we came and we were the only ones here. That's no longer true. Popular fishing spot. That would be your portage spot on this side of the dam with a little slide so you don't have to try to carry the kayak down those steps or canoe. Oh yeah. Once again, that warning, if we hear a siren, we're out of here. Sure, it would take a lot more weather than we're seeing right now. Beautiful day. Birds are chirping. Chipmunks running around. Such a nice spot. I'm thinking we might have to put the drone up in the air and get a better look. Be another good spot to launch. Probably easier to launch kayak right here, actually. Almost like a beach. Let's go for a walk, little Jaxie. It's time. And we got a long ride ahead of us after this. Jax just took care of some business, so here we are checking out the river again. Maybe Jax would want to get a drink. Whoa, I don't know, it's flowing pretty fast. Clear and beautiful though. Where do you think you're going, bud? Uh-oh, the tree trapped you. Lots of leaves already falling on the ground, but still not a lot of colors. Gonna be an interesting fall. Where do you think this goes? Maybe under the bridge? I'm not sure. Yeah, it goes under the bridge. Let's see what's on the other side. I know there's a boat ramp way down there. So beautiful. All right, canoe launch, boat ramp, and a lot of parking here. I have not launched here before with my own kayak, but I have done tours from this area. Come on, let's go. He's got to sniff everything, I tell you. He's got no business left, but he's still trying. Pretty funny. That's a puppy for you. Well, he's a 10-year-old puppy. Somebody's launch didn't go very well. Huron National Forest. Have a good paddle, guys. This is M33 from the east side. All right, here's a little information on the Mio Dam. Began operating in 1916. The 6 dams on the Ausable River can generate up to 41,000 kilowatts of electricity. That's not just them, but there's 6 dams on this river. Wildlife management at this facility is certified by the Wildlife Habitat Council. Mio has an excellent bald eagle habitat and produces eaglets every year. The 23-mile stretch of the Ausable from Mio downstream to 4001 Bridge is a national scenic river. What a great spot for recreation. Just beautiful. All right, here we are back at the truck. Jax is still with me, and he says if you found this video entertaining or informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join us on our next adventure.